In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a sheet in Smartsheet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look for so you can remove a sheet confidently and avoid accidental deletions. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at the Smartsheet interface. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the main sidebar. This is your hub for navigating everything in your account. Look for the option labeled Browse. Click that. Browse is where Smartsheet organizes your content, so once you open it, you'll see your workspaces and all the sheets that live inside them. Take a moment to locate the sheet you want to remove. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, expand the relevant workspace so you can view its contents. Scan the list carefully and verify you've selected the exact sheet you intend to delete. It's a good idea to glance at the sheet's name and, if needed, open it briefly beforehand to confirm you've got the right one. When you're sure, move your cursor over the sheet's name in the Browse panel and right-click. This opens a context menu with several actions you can take on that sheet. From this menu, choose Delete. Smartsheet will then display a confirmation prompt. This is your final checkpoint. Read the message, confirm the sheet name, and make absolutely certain you're deleting the correct item. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the sheet will be removed from your list and collaborators will no longer have access to it. Keep in mind that deleting a sheet is a significant action. If the delete option doesn't appear for you, you might not have the right permissions. In that case, you'll need an owner or someone with the appropriate access to complete the deletion. It's also smart to consider whether anyone else still needs the information in that sheet. If you're unsure, communicate with your team first, or make a copy or export a backup before proceeding. To recap the flow, open the left sidebar, click Browse to view your workspaces and sheets, right-click the specific sheet you want to remove, choose Delete, and then confirm when prompted. That's all there is to it. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to clean up your Smartsheet environment with confidence, keeping only the sheets you truly need. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to double-check before confirming any deletion to keep your workspace organized and error-free.